Greetings and welcome. Here are today's top headlines, bringing you the latest updates from around the crypto space. Donald Trump wins the US presidential election. Bitcoin reaches a new peak. Altcoins follow Bitcoin's upward trend after the presidential election. Trump's victory fuels expectations for regulatory easing in the crypto sector. Cryptocurrency markets soar following Trump's election. Crypto investors optimistic about the new US administration. Cryptocurrency exchanges record a surge in trading volume. Analysts predict increased post-election crypto volatility. Financial regulators closely monitor the election's impact on the crypto market. Crypto firms prepare for expansion under the Trump administration. Political memecoins experience heightened volatility after the election. Institutional investors bolster their crypto holdings post-election. Financial regulators closely monitor the election's impact on the crypto market. Crypto firms prepare for expansion under the Trump administration. Donald Trump wins the US presidential election. Bitcoin reaches a new peak. Donald Trump has won the US presidential election, prompting a significant surge in the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin hit a new all-time high of $75,000 following the announcement. This spike is attributed to investor expectations of a more crypto-friendly policy under the Trump administration. During his campaign, Trump positioned himself as an advocate for digital assets, promising to make the US the global capital of cryptocurrencies. Markets are reacting positively to this prospect, with expectations of regulatory easing and increased cryptocurrency adoption. Analysts predict that this bullish trend could continue, with Bitcoin projections surpassing $80,000 in the coming days. Altcoins follow Bitcoin's upward trend after the presidential election. Following Trump's victory, altcoins also experienced a notable rise in value. Dogecoin, Doge, recorded a 14.4% increase in 24 hours, reaching nearly 20 cents. Solana, SOL, surpassed Binance BNB in market capitalization, valuing at $182 with a cap exceeding $85.5 billion. Uniswap, Uni, surged 25.8%, while AV grew by 18.9%. This movement reflects market optimism regarding a pro-crypto policy from the new administration, boosting investor interest across various digital assets. Trump's victory fuels expectations for regulatory easing in the crypto sector. Trump's election victory has revived hopes for regulatory relaxation in the cryptocurrency sector. Trump has committed to promoting innovation and reducing regulatory barriers for digital assets. Investors anticipate a growth period for the industry, with broader adoption and deeper integration of cryptocurrencies into the traditional financial system. This outlook has contributed to the recent rise in cryptocurrency prices, as markets respond positively to the promises of the new administration. Cryptocurrency markets soar following Trump's election. Trump's election has triggered a spike in cryptocurrency markets. Bitcoin hit a new all-time high of $75,000. This rise is attributed to investor expectations of a more crypto-friendly policy under the Trump administration. Markets are reacting positively, anticipating regulatory easing and increased cryptocurrency adoption. Analysts foresee this bullish trend continuing, with Bitcoin possibly exceeding $80,000 in the coming days. Crypto investors optimistic about the new US administration. Trump's election has created notable optimism among crypto investors. The promise of a pro-crypto policy and a more favorable regulatory environment fuels expectations of sustained market growth. Investors anticipate wider digital asset adoption and greater integration into the traditional financial system. This positive perspective is reflected in the recent price surge, as markets respond favorably to the new administration's promises. Cryptocurrency exchanges record a surge in trading volume. Following Trump's election, cryptocurrency exchanges saw a significant rise in trading volume. Encouraged by prospects of a crypto-friendly policy, investors increased their buying and selling activities. This trend reflects heightened market confidence in the growth potential of cryptocurrencies under the new administration. Exchanges are preparing to handle this demand surge by strengthening their infrastructure to ensure smooth and secure transactions. Analysts predict increased post-election crypto volatility. Financial analysts expect heightened cryptocurrency volatility in the days following the U.S. presidential election. Price fluctuations could be influenced by political announcements and market expectations regarding future regulations. Investors are encouraged to closely monitor political and economic developments to make informed decisions in this potentially unstable environment. Caution is advised despite the general optimism spurred by Trump's victory. Financial regulators closely monitor the election's impact on the crypto market. U.S. financial regulators are closely watching the election's impact on the cryptocurrency market. They are assessing the potential implications of the new administration's policies on financial stability and investor protection. Discussions are ongoing to determine necessary regulatory adjustments to support sector development while preserving the financial system's integrity. Authorities aim to balance innovation and security in a rapidly growing digital asset environment. Crypto firms prepare for expansion under the Trump administration. With Trump's election, cryptocurrency firms anticipate a period of growth. Promises of crypto-friendly policies are encouraging these companies to develop new strategies for expansion, including launching innovative products and services. Potential regulatory easing could foster crypto innovation and adoption, creating new market opportunities. Industry players are ready to leverage this favorable environment to strengthen their position and attract more investors. Political memecoins experience heightened volatility after the election. Following the presidential election, political-themed memecoins, like MAGA, Make America Great Again, have seen significant volatility. These tokens, often created to capitalize on political events, have fluctuated in value in response to election results. Investors are advised to exercise caution, as these assets are particularly sensitive to political events and may lead to substantial losses if trends reverse. The popularity of these memecoins highlights the growing intersection between politics and cryptocurrency markets. Institutional investors bolster their crypto market position post-election. After Donald Trump's election, institutional investors have increased their presence in the cryptocurrency market. Anticipating favorable policies and greater adoption, investment funds and financial institutions are increasing their allocations in digital assets. This trend could contribute to the market's maturation by bringing more liquidity and stability. Analysts believe that the entry of these institutional players may also encourage clearer and more structured regulation of the sector. Financial regulators closely monitor the election's impact on the crypto market. U.S. financial regulators are closely watching the impact of the presidential election on the cryptocurrency market. They are assessing the potential implications of the new administration's policies on financial stability and investor protection. Discussions are underway to determine the necessary regulatory adjustments to support sector development while maintaining the integrity of the financial system. Authorities are working to strike a balance between innovation and security in a rapidly growing digital asset landscape. Crypto companies prepare for expansion under the Trump administration. Cryptocurrency companies are preparing for expansion under the Trump administration. Promises of crypto-friendly policies are motivating these companies to devise growth strategies, particularly by developing new products and services. Potential regulatory easing could facilitate crypto innovation and adoption, creating new market opportunities. Industry players are ready to capitalize on this favorable environment to strengthen their position and attract more investors. That's all for today, and thank you for your attention. Stay subscribed to our platforms. The Rabbiton journey will be long and impressive. Many good things await you. Goodbye.